Oh, okay. This cough just won't go away. I tried everything. Chemical this, artificial that. What should I do now?
Still coughing? How long has been going on?
3 days. I don't want to pump my body full of chemical. You know how much I care about my body health.
Have you tried Leafora Cough Syrup?
Huh? Never heard of it. Does natural stuff actually work?
This isn't just natural stuff. It's scientifically formulated with organic ingredients. And look, these have no artificial chemicals and is pure herbal goodness that actually soothe your sore throat.
Really? What's in it?
Oh, all organic ingredients, herbs that are actually being used for centuries and formulated with modern knowledge. Oh, the best part, it treats the root cause, not just the symptoms.
Your health, our priority. Oh, I like that. But it actually tastes good.
Way better than a chemical syrup, and you're actually not putting chemical preservative into your body.
You know what? My health is my priority. Let me try it.
Yo, how's your cough?
Wow, it actually worked. And I feel good about what I put in my body.
Leafora Cough Syrup, your health deserves better than chemical.